Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video we have another very interesting question from algebraic expressions which we'll be solving without using a calculator. So let's get started. Let us say this expression equal to e first. Now I will consider this square root part only separately. So let me write here the square root of 5 power 8 plus 7 power 4 over 2 plus 2 power 19. This will be equal to the square root of 5 power 8 plus 7 power 4 over 2 plus 2 power 20 over 2. This is 2 power 19. Now denominator is same. We can write our common denominator 2 here. So this will give us 5 power 8 plus 7 power 4 plus 2 power 20. This will be equal to the square root of, we can write 8 as 2 times 4. Then we have 7 power 4. Then we have 2 power 20. 20 can be written as 5 times 4 over common denominator 2. Now we know the exponent law, a power b times c. This will be equal to a power b whole power c. So here we will consider 25 and here we will consider 2 power 5, 32. So I can write this will be equal to the square root of 25 whole power 4 plus 7 whole power 4 plus 32 whole power 4 over 2. Now we will replace this part with our simplified expression. Let's replace. I will write e equal to square root of. Then we have another square root. Now we will write 25 power 4 plus 7 power 4 plus 32 power 4 over 2 plus 175. We can factor as 25 times 7. Now we will use substitution. Let's say 25 is A, 7 is B, then 32 will be 25 plus 7. So I can write this will be equal to A plus B. Let's replace in terms of A and B. I will write a square root of 25 power 4. So I can write A power 4 plus 7 power 4. So I can write B power 4 plus 32 power 4. I can write A plus B whole power 4 over 2. Then plus 25 times 7. I will write A times B. Now we have to simplify our numerator. So I can write E will be equal to square root of I will expand A plus B whole power 4. So A power 4 plus B power 4 as it is. Now we will write expansion of A plus B whole power 4, which will be equal to A power 4 plus B power 4 plus 4 A cube B plus 4 AB cube plus 6 A square B square over 2. And then here I will write plus AB. Let me write this expression here first. Here it is. Now I will write E will be equal to a square root of square root of a power 4 plus b power 4, a power 4 plus b power 4. So I can write 2a power 4 plus 2b power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 4ab cube plus 6a square b square, and denominator here is 2. Then we have plus ab here. Now numerator is divisible by 2. Let's divide. I will write square root of 2a power 4 over 2. So I will write directly a power 4 plus 2b power 4 over 2, b power 4, 4a cube b over 2. So plus 2a cube b, 4ab cube over 2. So I will write 2ab cube, 6a square b square over 2. So I will write 3a square b square. Then we have plus ab. Now I will target 3a square b square, and I will write here square root of a power 4 plus b power 4. We will write as it is. Then we have 2a cube b. Then we have 2ab cube. Then we can split 3a square b square as a square b square plus 2 times a square b square. Then we have plus ab. Let us consider the same equation here. Here it is. Now we can write expression e equal to square root of. Now I will rearrange the terms. I will write a power 4 here. Then we can write b power 4. Then we can write a square b square term. Then we can write 2a square b square term. Then we can write plus 2ab cube. Then we can write our last term here 2a cube b. And after that we will write plus ab. So this will be equal to a square root of. I can write a power 4 as a square whole square, b power 4. We can write b square whole square. Then a square b square I will be writing ab whole square. Then you can see 2a square b square. I will write 2 times a square times b square plus 2ab cube. I will write 2 times b square times ab, and 2a cube b I will write plus 2 times ab times a square. Then we have plus ab after this square root. Now you can see this is one algebraic identity. If I will write here a plus b plus c whole square identity, then this is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here a square is a, b square is b as per formula, c square is ab. So I can write expression will be equal to e will be square root of a square plus b square plus ab whole square, and then we have plus ab after this radical sign. So square root and square will be over. We can write expression e will become square root of a square plus b square plus ab Or we can write a square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that this is a plus b whole square. So I can write a square root of a plus b whole square. Again we can cancel a square with a square root. So this will give us a plus b only. This is our expression E. Now a was 25, b was 7. So I will write E will be equal to a plus b. Here a was 25, b was 7. So expression value we can write 25 plus 7. Our answer will come out 32. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care.